everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place where we turn your outdoor dreams into stunning reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after features in modern landscaping, the beautiful, functional backyard garden with an outdoor kitchen. Get ready for stunning inspiration, practical advice, and the top 15 designs you need to see. A backyard garden with an outdoor kitchen is more than just a grill on a patio. It's a fully integrated, cohesive outdoor living space designed for both culinary creation and natural enjoyment. At its core, it's about extending the comfort and utility of your indoor kitchen and dining area into the beauty of your garden. The kitchen element typically features built-in appliances like a grill, a sink, and counter space, often constructed with durable, weather-resistant materials like stone, brick, or stainless steel. The garden element is then seamlessly integrated, whether through dedicated raised beds, vertical planters, or strategically placed containers, often focusing on edible plants like herbs, vegetables, and fruit. It transforms a simple backyard into a true outdoor room, creating a destination for cooking, dining, and socializing, all while being surrounded by the tranquility and fresh bounty of nature. It's the ultimate convergence of horticulture and hospitality. The benefits of creating this spectacular fusion of food and flora are truly transformative, starting with a significant boost to your home's value and aesthetic appeal. It's a luxury amenity that prospective buyers adore. Beyond the financial perk, it dramatically enhances your entertaining capabilities. You can now host parties and family gatherings without constantly running in and out of the house, keeping the chef part of the conversation and the energy of the party outside. Furthermore, an outdoor kitchen can save on indoor energy costs, as you avoid heating up your main kitchen with a hot oven or stove during the warmer months. The direct access to a garden, especially an edible garden, promotes a healthier, fresher lifestyle, allowing for truly farm-to-table meals with minimal effort. Lastly, spending more time outdoors, whether cooking or dining, is proven to improve mood and overall well-being, turning meal prep from a chore into a delightful, invigorating experience surrounded by the sights and scents of your garden. Decorating your combined outdoor kitchen and garden to achieve a beautiful, cohesive look involves thoughtful layering of practical elements with aesthetic accents. Start with hardscaping, ensuring the materials of your kitchen structure, like natural stone or polished concrete, complement the pathways and patio for a unified feel. Next, focus on ambient and task lighting. Subtle under-cabinet LED strips for your prep area combine with decorative string lights or lanterns over the dining space to create a magical atmosphere after dark. Integrate the garden part by using stunning planters and containers in varying sizes and materials. Think terracotta for a rustic look or sleek metal for modern flair, to frame the kitchen and dining areas. Add a decorative backsplash to your cooking wall, perhaps with colorful mosaic tiles or reclaimed wood, to introduce color and texture. Finally, complete the outdoor room with comfortable, weather-resistant furniture and soft furnishings like patterned outdoor cushions and a stylish rug to bring that indoor coziness outside. Having fresh ingredients just steps from your grill is the dream. Here are the best plants to incorporate into your outdoor kitchen garden. First, culinary herbs: basil, rosemary, thyme, mint, oregano, and parsley. These are easy to grow and constantly needed for cooking and garnishes. Second, aromatic flowers or plants: lavender, citronella, and scented geraniums. These not only look beautiful but can also naturally deter pests. Third, compact vegetables: cherry tomatoes, bush beans, bell peppers, and leafy greens like lettuce, Swiss chard. Great for quick additions to a grilled meal. Fourth, edible flowers: nasturtiums and pansies. Perfect for colorful salad garnishes or decorating cocktails. Fifth, fruiting vines on a trellis: grapes or passion fruit. They provide shade and a beautiful backdrop while yielding fresh fruit. Sixth, low-maintenance color: succulents and sedum. Ideal for sunny, dry spots, adding structure and color without demanding much water or care. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 15 best backyard garden with outdoor kitchen ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The rustic stone hearth kitchen. This design captures timeless, earthy elegance with a substantial built-in kitchen crafted from warm, stacked natural stone. The focal point is a large, integrated grill and counter space, complemented by a rustic wooden pergola that casts dappled light. Lush, overflowing terracotta planters filled with bright red geraniums and cascading green ivy are strategically placed to soften the hard lines of the stone, giving the space an established, charming old-world garden feel perfect for a Mediterranean-inspired outdoor feast. 2. Sleek modern urban grill station. A masterclass in minimalist outdoor design, this kitchen features clean, sharp lines with dark composite cabinetry and a light, polished concrete countertop. The look is ultra-contemporary, with stainless steel appliances integrated seamlessly for a high-end, functional cooking experience. The adjacent garden is equally sleek, utilizing raised metal beds planted with geometric succulents and tall ornamental grasses, offering a textural contrast that maintains the modern aesthetic while adding a touch of living softness. 3. The vine-covered pergola paradise. Creating an intimate, shaded sanctuary, this outdoor kitchen is nestled beneath a heavy timber pergola. The structure is designed to host climbing vines like fragrant jasmine or wisteria, providing natural shade and a beautiful living roof. The kitchen itself is a simple but effective grill island with a stone base, and the surrounding area is lined with lush, dense plantings that prioritize privacy and the intoxicating aroma of blooming flowers and fresh herbs. For farm-to-table chef's garden kitchen. This design is built for the culinary enthusiast who loves to cook with the freshest ingredients. The outdoor kitchen features a large butcher block counter and a pizza oven, with its primary focus being functionality. Immediately adjacent are waist-high wooden raised beds overflowing with organic vegetables, tomatoes, peppers, and kale, and various culinary herbs, making the path from garden harvest to plate just a matter of a few steps. It's a truly immersive and practical garden kitchen. 5. Cozy corner patio kitchen with container blooms. Proving that size doesn't matter, this compact design maximizes a smaller patio space. Built-in cabinets and a small grill form an L shape that defines the cooking zone. The garden element is achieved entirely through vibrant container gardening. Tiered stands hold colorful annuals like petunias and begonias, while a cluster of large pots holds a small citrus tree and a collection of fragrant herbs, turning a restricted area into a blossoming, fully functional outdoor retreat. 6. Luxury resort-style kitchen and lounge. This is a top-tier luxury design, featuring a full-service outdoor kitchen with a large bar, refrigerator, and granite countertops. The space is anchored by a stacked stone fireplace or fire pit that serves as a secondary gathering point. The landscaping is manicured and dramatic, utilizing low-voltage lighting to highlight mature trees and structured hedging, lending a feeling of an exclusive high-end resort for effortless evening entertaining. 7. Coastal-inspired white wood and succulent bar. Light and airy, this kitchen uses whitewashed wood and cool-toned natural stone for a breezy coastal feel. A long bar top encourages guests to gather and chat with the chef. The garden elements are designed for low water and high impact, featuring drought-tolerant plants like large agave and various echeveria succulents in sandy-colored planters, perfectly capturing the relaxed, sunny vibe of a seaside retreat. 8. Mediterranean tile backsplash kitchen. The standout feature of this kitchen is the stunning backsplash, clad in bold, geometric or vibrant blue and white patterned ceramic tiles. This decorative wall instantly elevates the simple grill and prep counter. The garden is rich in texture, utilizing climbing bougainvillea or scented roses on nearby walls and large, aged terracotta pots filled with bay laurel or rosemary to reinforce the warm, sun-drenched European aesthetic. 9. Covered outdoor dining and kitchen pavilion. Designed for year-round usability, this kitchen and dining area is sheltered under a substantial, fully covered pavilion with a pitched roof and a ceiling fan. The kitchen is fully loaded with a smoker and a built-in sink. The surrounding garden is carefully designed to integrate with the structure, featuring raised stone borders planted with lush, shade-tolerant ferns and hostas, creating a deep, verdant backdrop that feels cool and protected. 10. Japanese Zen-inspired cooking nook. This unique design focuses on tranquility and simplicity. The kitchen is built with smooth, dark wood and slate countertops, subtly tucked into a quiet corner. The garden is a minimalist dream, featuring elements of a Zen rock garden, strategically placed bamboo for vertical interest, and a small, trickling water feature near the dining space. Low-growing Japanese maples or moss add splashes of color, creating a peaceful, contemplative space for cooking and quiet dining. Garden project. Until next time, happy gardening and happy grilling. 11. Multi-level modern seating and grill nook. This design expertly utilizes a terraced landscape to create distinct zones, perfect for an urban or sloped backyard. The grilling station sits near the main patio, while tiered wooden benches, adorned with soft pillows, offer comfortable conversation seating around a modern fire pit. Lush ornamental grasses are planted directly into the raised beds, softening the dark wood hardscaping and providing a beautiful low-maintenance green backdrop to this chic outdoor gathering spot. Grand covered pavilion with stone and hydrangea hedges. Offering a seamless transition from the home, this luxury kitchen is set beneath a substantial covered pavilion with a rich wood ceiling and robust stone walls. The outdoor cabinetry features a sleek reddish wood tone that contrasts beautifully with the rugged stone. The garden is formal and manicured, dominated by a towering, neatly trimmed evergreen hedge and large, vibrant clusters of pink and white hydrangeas planted in the surrounding flower beds, lending a traditional and sophisticated garden aesthetic. 13. Contemporary charcoal grill station with boxwood garden. This striking modern kitchen features sleek charcoal gray louvered cabinetry and a stainless steel grill set against a rustic stone wall. The design is compact and highly functional, perfect for a smaller space or patio area. The surrounding garden is formal and geometric, defined by perfectly sculpted boxwood shrubs that create a sense of order and classic English garden structure, providing a beautiful year-round contrast to the dark, contemporary lines of the kitchen. 14. Tuscan-inspired kitchen by the pool with shrubbery. Integrated beside a cool flagstone pool area, this dark, sophisticated outdoor kitchen unit provides a sharp contrast to the warm, stucco exterior of the house and the surrounding greenery. The kitchen features a heavy-duty grill, a griddle, and a dedicated refrigerator, all framed by elegant black cabinets and a granite countertop. The garden is lush and mature, with neatly pruned hedges and climbing vines on the house, creating a private, secluded, and verdant setting reminiscent of a beautiful Mediterranean villa. 15. Ultimate rustic timber entertainment hub with swing bar. This expansive, jaw-dropping outdoor living space is sheltered by a magnificent timber-framed roof, blending rustic warmth with modern luxury. The kitchen features white cabinetry and dark countertops, centered around an incredible kitchen island with hanging swing seats, a playful and unique feature. The gardening element is introduced via a structured low planter box filled with decorative white river stones and textured foliage, ensuring the area feels grounded in nature while maintaining a spectacular, high-end entertainment focus. There you have it, 15 spectacular ways to combine the joy of cooking with the peace of a beautiful garden. A backyard garden with an outdoor kitchen is truly a space where memories are made, a place that nourishes the body and the soul. Whether you're a gourmet chef or a casual griller, integrating your kitchen into your garden allows you to fully embrace the al fresco lifestyle and make the most of your home's outdoor potential. Take inspiration from these diverse designs, find the style that speaks to you, and start planning your own dream outdoor oasis today. Which of these top 15 ideas was your absolute favorite? The modern swing bar, the tropical covered kitchen, or the classic stone hearth? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our Garden Decor Designs community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our best garden and decor advice. Check the description for links to products and guides that can help you get started on your outdoor kitchen and garden project. Until next time, happy gardening and happy grilling.